In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split up payments on Trainerize 2025 step by step. First, log into Trainerize on the web. From the left-hand menu, open payments, then go into the products area. This is where all of your offers live and where you'll set up installment options. If you're creating something new, choose Create Product. If you already have a product that you sell, open it and select Edit. Split payments are only available on paid products, so make sure the product type is set to paid before you go any further. Inside the product setup, scroll to the pricing section and change the pricing option to payment plan. And as soon as you do, you'll see fields for installments. This is the heart of your split payments. Decide how many payments you want to collect. 2 or 3 installments work well for short engagements, while 6 or 12 monthly payments are great for ongoing coaching. Next, set the amount for each installment. You can keep everything equal or enter custom amounts if you prefer a larger first payment and smaller follow-ups. A quick tip here, double check that the total of all installments matches the full price you intend to charge, including any taxes or fees you're responsible for. Choose the billing frequency. Weekly, every 2 weeks, and monthly are common choices. Some gateways allow custom intervals, but availability depends on your payment provider. So pick an option you know is supported, then set the start date for the first charge. Align this with your program start, or choose today if you want to charge immediately. If you're pre-selling, selecting a future date keeps onboarding smooth. While you're here, add program access so clients automatically receive what they purchased. Assign a training program, a coaching plan, a master program, nutrition habits, or specific coaching features. This saves manual work and ensures clients see content as soon as checkout is complete. When everything looks right, click Save and then Publish. Your payment plan is now live and ready to sell through its checkout link. If you want to enroll someone manually, return to Payments, open Products, select the product, and choose Add Client. Pick the customer and confirm the payment plan. They'll receive a checkout link. Their installments will run automatically on the schedule you set, and access to the assigned program will unlock as soon as payment is processed. That's it. You've set up split payments and Trainerize from product creation to client enrollment.